Good morning, respected judges and teachers. I'm here. We are the student of language stand here in the favor of the Union Budget 2026. So, the Union Budget 2026 is not just an financial document. It is a roadmap for India's future growth. This budget focuses on infrastructure development, job creation, and technological processes which are very important for making India development. About 20,000 crores, something could be a push for ship manufacturing. Thanks.
No, I'm not ending. Good morning, Jay. We are the students of class 6, respected judges, teachers, and my opponents. We stand before you to speak against the Union Budget 2026. As you all know, Union Budget is meant to help all people of our country. It should support the students, nations, farmers, workers, and even the common people. But this budget does not fully do this. Many people in our country are still facing problems like unemployment, raising prices of foods and fuels, lack of good facilities in government schools and hospitals. Our farmers are still struggling with the low income and high prices of fertilizers and etc. This budget focuses on economic growth with responsibility. Increased investment in infrastructure such as roads, drainage, and housing will create jobs and strengthen the grassroots for economy. This budget provide relief to the middle class, increasing their purchasing power and boosting demand. Special attention is given to MSMEs, startups, and skill development, which directly support employment and creation for our youth.
No, I did not tell you. In Budget 2026, there is no change in income tax slab for the middle class families. Issues for consideration was direct reduction should be increased to 75,000 because the personal income tax collection, which is 11 lakh, is more than the corporate industrial collection, which is 9.8 lakh. So we should increase and uplift the middle class families due to high cost pricing pressure. Everything is being expensive for the middle class families.
My opposition has raised the point that this budget does not do anything for middle class. But from my point of view, the government is trying to find equipment for the middle class where people can find their hands with savings without any hesitation and fear of sudden changes. And if we talk about the education, the budget is increased from 1.398 crore rupees, trying to make the Indian education a good education. And if we talk about the economic and GDP conclusions, the economic there is 8.37% economy has been increased, making India the fastest growing economy of the world. And the government is trying to fight with the inflation economics through making 4.2% fiscal discipline rate to try to rupee does not currency and making the rupee the biggest currency of the world.
At present, public health expenditure on GDP is 0.5%. There should be at least 2.5% of GDP. The condition of our government hospitals, which are gone as a backbone of our health system, are very poor. There are not enough staff, overworked doctors, and the availability of bed is low according to the population. There are not enough medicines and equipment. The reality is that the COVID made us realize or it was a wake-up call for the India's health infrastructure. And I want to ask the us today, are we ready for answer today? The answer is no. So the government should work on public health policies.
I would just like to ask that is there all great for government no citizens the people I see the items that the government is providing like medicines, education funds, and due there, the also a big lead to civic sense and the people. Thus, the budget is not good. The budget cannot do all everything if the people cannot support it. And I would just like to ask, is there any of civic sense needed for the budget to make a country big?
That's a good point. In talking about civics and power budget, we will the financial system have already facilitated police system and budgets. And talking about people don't have the civic sense, there are many policies now for such people not looking at briefs and already, there are fines and fees for doing some such dates. And also, many NGOs are finding people those who need their help. Thank you.
This budget talks about job creation, but real job opportunities are very limited. Many educated, talented young people are unemployed. The skill development program exists, but cannot reach everyone, leaving many youth uncertain about their future.
Respected judges, I would like to read some questions against Indian Budget Terms 2016. On prices, if prices of essential goods are increasing, then how is this budget select comment? It had got female parliament the cards like Ration and Aishma, which help them to categorize it as free. For example, Ayushman card held for free medical attention. Thank you. On education. If education is important, then why are educated school still at proper facilities and why there is limited scholarship for poor students?
If you are talking about government school, then there is a big reason to civic sense of people. The black man and the people of government school are trying to take the items that are given from the government. The government is doing its best to improve the education by releasing funds. But the people who are running the government schools are not good and now they in government schools all not good students study there. They just go there and just play and come back home. And now this government school are becoming like a joke because of the people and the parenting mistake.
If the budget is good, then why are government hospitals still in cost down and why are housing district expensive for poor families?
It is not a broad food. In their not everybody is going to government hospital. Everyone is trying to go to good private hospital, is AIIMS, Delhi, etc. And in government hospital, the government is raising funds, but the doctors are also capable to do many things. The government doctors are much better than the private doctors who steal the money from the people and does not do any for the people. And the government hospital, when we talk about the lack of staff, then this is not true. The government hospital has the staff, but not compared to big private hospitals like AIIMS, which contains many staff. The government hospital has staff, but according to their level, government hospital, not like a quick private hospital.
If the budget is bad, how also and why the government pay Ration card and Ayushman none?
The government paying Ayushman ration card for poor people, but it is also different to use the poor families. They are not aware of this. Most poor families are not aware of this. So that's why it's difficult to use for poor families.
judges, as we conclude the debate, let us look beyond another and see the purposes behind them. Higher learners have praised whatsoever today's challenge, but the Yogic Culture 2026 is not just about solving today's, it is about owning tomorrow. When we talk about rupees 20, so 12 crore foreign potentials, we are not just talking about per Greek. We are about the foundation of global superpower. When we speak ISM 2.0, that fast after Shakti, we are celebrating Indian Pride from a consumer of global technology to a creator of it. We have demonstrated Universal 2020, which was promoted at the Museum of Creativity and Growth, is developing has been a configuration of it 8,000 It overlooks the undetermined crisis environment from its state to scale, but not job. It overlooks farmer, and middle class, making them suspectively to increase jobs as depleting cities. In addition, this millennial direction branch. It focuses on long-term forecasts, but it should ignore the plight of our client India. Thus, this market will be further because what in that does not fix this people cannot be shaped to its existence. Mainly, the budget shaped nation, and this one shape was stronger, self-reliant, and progressive India. Thank you.